Welcome back to Online Tools Master, where we help you master all the best online tools. In today's video, we're diving into the Random Item Picker, a free online tool that lets you quickly and easily select one or more random items from a list. Whether it's picking numbers, names, or strings, this tool has you covered. So, what exactly is a Random Item Picker? Well, it's a simple yet powerful tool that takes any list of items you provide, whether it's numbers, strings, names, or anything else, and randomly picks one or more items for you. Just load your items into the input, one per line, and the tool does the rest. Now let's look at a few quick examples to see the Random Item Picker in action. In this first example, we're going to randomly pick one number from a list of 10 numbers. We'll use the newline character as the input delimiter and activate the Skip Empty Items option to ensure no blank lines are selected. And just like that, the tool selects a number for us. For our second example, let's select two names from a list. We want to make sure the same name isn't picked twice, so we'll disable the Allow Repetitions option to ensure we get two unique names. Perfect. The tool selected two different names just as we wanted. Finally, let's pick 5 strings from a list of 10. This time, we'll allow repetitions and display the output on one line, separating each selected string with a comma. There you have it, 5 random strings picked with repetitions, neatly separated by commas. And that's the Random Item Picker, simple, flexible, and incredibly powerful. Whether you're picking numbers, names, or anything else, this tool has you covered. Don't forget to check out our previous videos on how to split a string and how to shuffle words, both of which pair perfectly with this tool for even more text-based fun. Before you go, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on our latest tutorials.